Hello everyone. Today we're diving into Photoprism versus Synology Photos to help you pick the best photo management tool for your needs. Let's break it down. First up, we have Photoprism. It's an open source AI-powered photo app you can host on any server or NAS like a Synology. It auto-tags photos using AI, supports RAW and video formats, and offers powerful search filters for things like location or color. You can sync via WebDAV with apps like PhotoSync, and it's privacy-focused, so no cloud required. But there's no native mobile app, and setup via Docker can be tricky for beginners. Now, Synology Photos. It's a free app built into Synology NAS devices, super easy to install via the package center. It has face recognition, a clean mobile app for iOS and Android, and automatic backups from your phone. You can organize photos in a folder structure and share albums easily. However, it's tied to Synology hardware, and AI features are less advanced than Photoprism's. So, how do they stack up? Photoprism shines for tech-savvy users who want flexibility, advanced AI, and cross-platform hosting. It's ideal if you prioritize privacy and don't mind some setup. Synology Photos is perfect for Synology owners who want a plug-and-play solution with a great mobile app and simple sharing. It's less customizable but user-friendly. Check out this chart for a quick breakdown, and if you're after ease and Synology integration, go with Synology Photos. For AI power and open-source freedom, Photoprism's your pick. Drop a comment with your choice, and that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.